Morning guys, I'm here at Lexus, one of the nicest showrooms in the whole country. This place is legit. A little bit about me, I used to work here about 20 years ago. I didn't sell cars. I was a software developer here working in an integration between Reynolds and Reynolds and a CRM product that we created. This is home, man. I love this place. And these guys have 4 of our scanning units, and I'll show you what they do. I'm here at the waiting area at Lexus, and this is one of the nicest waiting areas you'll see around the country. You got Fox and CNN on each side, and food, and there it is, our scanning unit. So there's 2 scanning units on this floor, and they're using it for repair orders scanning. And downstairs, there's another scanning unit for parts invoices, and there's one at the body shop. And I'll show you that, but yeah, this is a nice showroom. I'm here on the parts counter at Lexus, and here's another one of our scanning units. Oh look, back there is their service department. Right. Another scan unit that's used to scan repair orders and parts invoices. It's a nice parts counter. Lexus, they know how to do it. So this is Lexus, and they're using 4 of our scanning units. My old stomping grounds. I used to work here. I love these guys. Thank them for the business. They've been with us for over 5 years. The system works. They do over 6,000 repair orders a month, countless of parts invoices and rental agreements. Lexus uses us. Our product just rocks. Give me a call.